Eid isn't just a date marked on the calendar. It's a sacred pause, a beautiful exhale after a month of deep breath, a soft whisper to the soul that says, "You made it." But in a world obsessed with speed, we rush through even our joy. New clothes, new shoes, selfies, parties, noise, and somewhere in between, the meaning fades. So today, let's reclaim it. Let's return to what this day is truly about. Not just celebration, but soulful celebration. Not just traditions, but intention. This is your guide to a meaningful Eid. Step 1. Slow down the rush. The morning of Eid is sacred. The air smells different. The light feels softer, but only if you notice. Before the hustle, before the guests arrive, before the table is full, pause, look in the mirror, whisper a prayer. Thank Allah for the strength He gave you to fast, to grow, to reset. This isn't just another holiday. It's the celebration of your effort, your discipline, your sacrifice. Let your first moment be quiet. Let your heart arrive before the day begins. Step 2. Celebrate with intention, not habit. Eid doesn't have to be grand. It has to be genuine. Instead of asking, "What should we do this year?" ask, "What do I want this Eid to feel like?" Decorate, but with heart. Give gifts, but wrap them with prayer. Dress up, not to impress, but to honor the joy Allah gave us. Make every moment deliberate, every action meaningful. This is not just a tradition, it's your legacy. One that your children will pass on. Not because it was expensive, but because it was unforgettable. Step 3. Bring family closer. Eid is not just about what's on the table, it's about who's around it. Sit together, eat together, laugh like you used to, forgive without needing an apology. Put your phone down, look your parents in the eye, hug your siblings like it's the last time. These are not ordinary moments. They're the ones you'll remember when everything else fades. If someone is missing this year, make space for them with a prayer. Honor their memory in your joy. Their love still lives in your heart. Eid is the perfect day to say, "Let's begin again." Crescent Moon Step 4. Teach the soul behind the celebration. Let the children dress up and play, but also let them understand why this day is special. Tell them about the story of Prophet Ibrahim. Tell them what sacrifice truly means. Tell them about charity, about intention, about compassion. Read a surah together. Say a family dua. Create new spiritual rituals that anchor this day in meaning. Because one day they'll grow up, and long after the balloons deflate, it's the faith you planted that will remain. Crescent Moon Step 5. Give like you've been given. You've been blessed. If you're celebrating, you've already received more than many. So give. Give generously. Give quietly. Give joy. Feed someone who's alone. Send a gift to someone you've forgotten. Drop off sweets to a neighbor. Help a child who won't get an Eid outfit this year. Charity is not just money. It's your time, your smile, your kindness, your attention. Let your home be a space of giving, not just receiving. Because the best Eid gift is to be the reason someone else smiles. Globe showing Europe Africa Step 6. Feel the global unity. You're not alone in this joy. Look beyond your city, beyond your country, beyond your bubble. Today, across every continent, millions are celebrating with you. Different food, different language, same takbir, same Allah, same love. This is not just your celebration. It is ours. One Ummah, one heartbeat, one Eid. Crescent Moon Step 7. Let Eid be your reset. Ramadan transformed you. Don't lose that. Don't step out of the month as if nothing changed. Let Eid be your turning point, the bridge between who you were and who you're meant to be. Pray deeper, live slower, love louder, forgive faster, give more. And when the day ends, sit quietly and thank Allah again for the joy, for the people, for the chance to celebrate meaningfully. Eid Mubarak, from my heart to yours. May your day be filled with intention, your home with light, and your life with the kind of joy that only comes from the one above.